Hey guys, get rid of me. So today I'm going to show you how to do like a glow up on 2026 by just using the products of Medicube. So I am going to start off with this Medicube Kojic acid turmeric pads. These are actually real good, and yeah, so let's get into it. And so far, let me know in the comments like how your 2026 is going so far, because I know like some of you guys probably didn't plan like what to do in your 2026, but I would say you need to become your best version of yourself, have goals, and also achieve, just be like a better version from last year. That's actually like a good thing to do as like in this month. And of course, like leave the junk food, because to get clear skin you need actually to have less junk food inside. Like if you want to take care of your skin, you need to actually take care of it inside first. So after the turmeric pad, I'm going to use these Medicube. These are real good. It's Medicube pdrn pink peptide serum. It's made out of sperm, salmon sperm, and it's like really slimy. And I got like three of these products just in case, like these actually ran out, because I'm really in love with it. You know what I mean? Like if you really love a product, you really need to get more, and especially if it's actually working on your skin. So if you're wondering like what I used to wash my face with, I used serum. That's not Medicube, but I don't know any other Medicube face wash so far, and I really need to like maybe look into that before just using serum. And yeah, so you can see like the texture of my skin, like how it looks and all that. It's giving like glow, soft, slimy, and look at that, it's really like so slimy. And I think I put a lot on my face, but anyways, that's okay. After that, I'm going to use this Medicube collagen jelly cream. These are actually really good, but you need to get the best out of this. You need the Pro Booster Medicube, that I would say, because these are actually really thick. And I'm supposed to use those thing, but I don't know where it is, where it went. So that's actually super jelly, not gonna lie. So just like that, and you can see like how my skin is already glowing. It boosts the collagen of your skin and boosts the elasticity of your skin. Just do that and you're good to go. And if you have the Pro Booster Medicube, then you actually even like way better, because it actually absorbs into your skin and it looks flawless, honestly. So that's it for now. Okay, wait, I have this, since you don't want to use any makeup and you want to show off your glow skin, you're going to use Medicube Kojic acid turmeric niacinamide serum. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but you can ditch the concealer and just use this. It has like, you can literally see it has like small particles, like yellow. Let me put more. It doesn't come out, so yeah, it looks like I'm crying, but yeah, anyways. And then it's going to change the color, and it actually gets rid of your dark acne, almost like a concealer. It hides your it hides the dark spot of your dead acne. I have like a little breakout over there, you probably can't see it now. That's like the Medicube serum. So like, yeah, if you need to glow, you need to follow these steps. Honestly, these are actually really good steps. So now after that, I also use on my hands, so like it gives like shiny. And look at my nails, like I'm trying to like paint them black, but that's gonna be in another video, honestly. So After that, I'm going to use this No Cost Just Glow sunscreen, and it's actually like 2-in-1. Basically, it has like moisturizer and also a sunscreen basically, and you can just use this like every day. Just keep it in your bag like whenever, and I actually like how it absorbs into the skin and melts. It doesn't leave a white cast, so it just like blends into your skin, as it actually protects your skin from the sunlight, so that you would actually get sunburn. And yeah, and I actually do see a improvement by just using these medicube sunscreen honestly. And also like I intend to forget the around the eyes like whenever I'm using sunscreen, because like, and then you will see yourself like you have like dark circles, like dark under eyes, and that's really bad honestly. And also I need to get like a sunscreen that's like a lip balm, so that it can actually protect my lips from the sun also, because I don't want my lips to become darker and it will create hyperpigmentation, and that's not going to be good honestly. So, and also you need to be careful like what kind of lipstick to use, because it can actually create a dark pigmentation lips honestly. So mine is a little bit okay, I wouldn't say it's that pink, but yeah, you know what helped in this? I posted on TikTok that using this retinol on my lip for like the hyperpigmentation to get to fade away, it helped a little bit. So I need to maybe like continue for like more than 7 days just to get rid of the hyperpigmentation on my lips, so that it can actually get more pinkish I would say, and smoother. So now I use actually to moisturize my lips, like I use Vaseline, the pink one, I guess, because I didn't use it today. So this is my glow up for 2026, and I think I'm going to actually continue using medicube skincare products, because actually my skin like literally in general, it actually proves that using medicube products like Korean skincare on an East African girl, it's going to actually make it like glossy, more hydrated and all that. So I think it's 10 out of 10. That's my review, and I'm going to continue using it. If you guys want these products, I'll put the link in the description so that you guys can actually purchase the products. And yeah, see you guys in another video, and also let me know like what kind of videos you want to see. So bye guys. Oh, I just want to show you like the close-up of my skin so far, like how good it is. I'm literally using like no filter honestly, like you can literally see like how smooth it is honestly, and it's so soft and hydrated. That's what we want in 2026, to get glowy skin, more hydrated, and also not just the outside